Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design infographic in Canva for beginners in 2024. So are you ready to transform your information into engaging and easy to understand graphics? Today, we're diving into Canva, which is a versatile platform that makes designing infographic a breeze for beginners in 2024. Whether you're presenting research findings, explaining complex concepts, or sharing statistics, Canva offers intuitive tools and templates to help you create some stunning infographics that captivate your audience. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up with Canva if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can simply log in into your account. To do so, go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you do so, go to this URL section, type canva.com. If you already logged in, you'll find yourself here. If it's your first time, you'll find yourself on this page. You'll find the login option at the top right corner. Click on it if you have an account. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to find a lot of ways to log in into your account if you use one of them to create your account. If it's your first time and you don't have an account, you can simply create your account using one of those options like Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft's Cleaver. As you can see, a lot of things. Once you logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here on your dashboard or home screen. Here, you'll be able to select an infographic template. So just navigate into this option, which is templates, and you can click on more. And here you'll be able to find a lot of like templates. As you can see, we have templates for infographics. Just go and click on it. Once we do so, of course, we can start from blank or choose one of the templates that we have here. As you can see, all of those infographics like templates. Some of them will require Pro, so make sure to ignore it. Just go and look for the free one. Let's say, example, this road looks good, so this timeline looks good. As an example, of course, you can make it bigger to see like what you are editing. Of course, you can go up. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to start editing all the things that you want on your infographics. Of course, it's time for you to customize it to suit your needs and make it your own. You can use this drag and drop options to add whatever you want. Example, maybe you would like to add this, I don't know. Let's go and make it smaller a bit. And even a bit. Maybe as an example, I don't know, you can add some clicks, you can add some buttons, you can add whatever you want on it. So just use this drag and drop option. As you can see, you can even use some image generators to use this as a background. You can use some stickers, some videos, some audios, frames, a lot of things that you can use in here. On Elements, you can add some text as an example. You can add some brands, but most of them or all of them, it seems like, will require Canva Pro. You can upload something from your own PC, like a picture, video, audio. You can even upload it from like Google Drive, Octobox, Facebook, Google Photos, and even Instagram. You can even record yourself right now. Click on it and you'll be able to start recording yourself. Other than that, you'll be able even to start drawing on your infographic as an example. So if you're good at drawing as an example, make sure to, I don't know, just draw whatever you want. Change the colors of it as an example, and you'll be able to do a lot of stuff. So I don't know, like if you're good at drawing, make sure to do it. Why not? It adds like some good layers on it. Projects here, if you have some previous projects, you'll be able even to try to add it somehow on it as example. I don't know, so you'll be able to do a lot of stuff. Here you'll be able to connect even some apps as example, which will do a lot of things for you. You can see everything out. So you can check it out, of course, here by your own and see how you can add those. You can add some QR code as an example. Instead of this link right here, you can simply enter URL. So simply just try to enter that URL here. So W like really great sites.com or an example. So I'll just enter URL of a site that I know, which is Google. I'll just type google.com and click on generate code. Once I click on generate code as an example, normally, yeah, here's it. So I'll just close it here or put it here in the bottom. As example, I'll remove this. I'll make this instead. So people, when they scan this, they'll be taken, as example, they'll be taken to google.com right away. Of course, if you change the URL, make sure to click on update code. As example, if you choose instead of Google, maybe people should be taken to Instagram. So Instagram as an example. You can even add your account like / maybe your username is test as an example or something like that. So click on update code. Once you finish it, and as you can see, the QR code will change. if you want to add like a QR code to your infographic. Other than that, of course, make sure to organize all the other informations on the templates and changes if you want to on your infographics. And you can add some charts, as example, some graphs. You'll be able to do it. You'll be able to upload them if you have them in your PC. And you can add them. And you can, of course, start playing with colors and typography until it's match your needs or suits your needs. And once you're satisfied with like your infographic design, you can take a moment, or you should take a moment to review it and make any final adjustments. Double check the accuracy of any data or statistics to ensure all the elements like properly aligned. And when you're ready, as example, and you find everything good, you have no spelling issues, no nothing, everything is aligned, it's time to download it. You can click on share at the top right corner, and you'll be able to click here on download. You'll be able to download this as a PDF, PDF standard, PDF print, as a JPG, PNG, as example. You'll not be able to download as SVG unless you have the Pro. I'll tell you more about that. Other than that, you'll be able to share it on social media, share it on a lot of other platforms, on websites or something like that. You'll be able to share it with some people, example. Copy link and share it with people to see, so people can, like example, see and give you like their observation. You can even add some people or a team to edit with you if you want to. And yeah, now just view it. If it's all good, you are ready to download it. Of course, as we said, if you want to like get all the features with the Pro plan, as an example, I'll just go here and click on see prices. As you can see, this is the price per year. If you want to pay per year for one person, it's not that hard to pay, or not that like expensive with all the features. As you can see, they say here for one person. But as an example, you can split the bill between 2 or 3 persons, and they can just use the same accounts. Make sure you trust them; they are your friends or something like that, and you can use simply the same account, or maybe your siblings. You can use the same accounts for 3 per people, so you can split the bill between 3 of you, and it will be even cheaper per year. If you want to pay monthly, be my guest, you can do that also. And yeah, like, so that's it. You can get free. Of course, you'll be able even to get a free trial for get 30 days. If you like it, you can pay. If you don't, you can just simply cancel it. And there you have it. So beginner guide on how to start designing your infographic in Canva in 2024 with its user-friendly interface and customizable template. Canva empowers you to create some visually stunning infographics that effectively communicates your messages. So if you're ready to bring your data to life, sign in or sign up with Canva right now and today and start designing your own captivating infographics. So thank you for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And if you have any question or this specific topic that you'd like me to cover in next tutorials, drop it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do this as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and goodbye.